real ghetto style cooking pan the Roach Cornerstone channel. That look about chicken chop suey, about 3/4 pound of breast this. We make a pop show and me carrot, me chicken chop suey. Me a look about it and me nah share it. Me pepper me garlic in me pot to make sure me pot spicy and smelly. Yes, me a tell you, me nah share me food. Me say me nah share me food. The only thing me a share are the recipe. And underneath me bed me a go and eat a food ya. Me nah take no phone call. Me no want nobody call me. Me no want nobody disturb me. And me bed me a eat a food and me nah share. The only thing me a share is the recipe. Me a show me like a vegetable I know. In the party so it look colorful and nice and great and delicious. Colorful. It's supposed to ready and now cover me pot. Yes, me food it ready and now with me little white rice. Me I go deal with the food ya and me bed. Me no want nobody call me. Me no want nobody in me yard. Me nah share me food, only the recipe. Cockafart, a who that a knock under the bed. Me about the food because me nah share it, only the recipe. Now people, you see them food ya. When me a show no, I give them way. Stew chicken, jerk chicken. Yes, I give them way. Festival and fried breadfruit, I give them way. Dumpling, I give them way. Listen, me see all of the food, me I give them way free with a small contribution. You don't have to pay $1. Just call me number. Oh. See there, 1-876-817-9902. Call me. Free food I give away with a small contribution. Me just a give food so. Yes, call me. No, me I tell you, that me do cook food and give it free with a small contribution. Look at them food you see there. I give me gateway. While I fry potato, give me a gateway. Fried chicken and crushed Irish, give me a gateway. French fried chicken with lettuce, give me a gateway. Spanish barbecue fried chicken with pepper, give me a gateway. Fish pan grill, give me a gateway. It have to burn before it can nice. French fried fish with avocado, chips and lemon beside it and mayonnaise. All them food you may give away free. Call me when you're hungry now. Free the food I give away.